you doing? We gonna do this. Okay, let's go.
Fuck.
Bruh. I understand what you're saying, but I'ma help them understand what you're saying.
Her eyes are
Basically,
This how the girl.
girl, where?
Where?
Who? You been where? Where? For real? Oh, really? That's how you feel? And God be like, asking all the questions. Asking all the questions. Why you asking all the questions? Making statements. Assuming? Asking all the questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Assuming? Where you been? How much did you spend? Now I trust you. Now unlock your phone. Who is this? See, why you playing me? That's angry, why you saying me? You trying to get me, draw me, lay with me. Not even trying to hear what you're saying to me. Just grab your stuff, hit the door. Go chill with them other girls. That is why we say, talk about some shit, girls, please. She ratchet? That's why I'm pregnant. And you done had it? Looking stupid. That's what you get. Walking around here live thinking that you're slick. But you don't. You stupid? Oh, don't you talk when I'm talking. You better mute it. Now unlock your phone. Let me see the pictures. I'm gonna check your Facebook and I'm check your Twitter and I bet it tell me where. Who? You been where? Where? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Assuming? Why the fuck you asking them questions, bitch? Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Assuming? Girl, why you bugging? Oh, who that girl? That's just my cousin. You wanna know the truth? And how I feel? Stop tweet watching, so I know it's real. Girl, ain't nobody lying to you. I ain't got no secrets, I ain't hiding from you. But you still wanna check my phone and my Twitter. Find out who I'm talking to and who I'm trying to meet. What you said you pregnant? It ain't mine. Girl, I wrapped it up. That's how I know you lied. What you think I'm dumb? You think I'm stupid? You think I love you? Do I look like Cupid? Hold up. Let me see your face. Let me check your Facebook. Pass it to your Twitter. You wanna DM. You tryna see him at 7 p.m. this weekend so he can put it all on you. You ain't slick. You ain't slick. Hell no. You been where? Where? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Assuming? Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why you asking all them questions? Making statements. Assuming? Whatever, nigga, what you gonna do? You just mad because you got caught. You dirty. Yo dirty ass. You dirty as hell. Guys, I was asking when I'm gonna hit him. You can't, I'm a face shorty. Man, somebody better get her. I ain't playing. Girls always want beef over the internet. They say something like, thirsty chick you in? At my Twitter name. Someone knows real. Pause the shit.